Hi everyone, welcome to this Getting Started tutorial. Today we're getting started with the OECD iLibrary. In this short video, we'll go over how to access the OECD iLibrary, what kind of information is available, and how to complete a search. Let's get started. Visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, click on the List of Business Databases link. This link will take you to the library's A to Z list of databases filtered by business, finance, and economics. You'll find OECD iLibrary on this list. The OECD iLibrary, produced by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, includes books, papers, and statistics providing access to OECD analysis and data. This includes content published by the International Energy Agency, the Nuclear Energy Agency, and the OECD Development Center, the Program for International Student Assessment, and the International Transport Forum. This is the homepage for the OECD iLibrary. You can use these options in the navigation menu to browse by theme, country, or both, browse the catalog for books or papers, and search statistics. Near the top of the page, you can search by title or author using the simple search box, or click the advanced search link below the search box to set additional search parameters. For this example, let's do a search using the advanced search option. From this page, you can enter multiple search terms, limit by date, language, content type, and more. We'll search for solar power, limit the date to between 2015 and 2021, and select articles under content type. Then click Submit to view the results. Results can be sorted by relevance or by date. You can use the search box to the left to search within the results. This can be particularly helpful if the list of results is lengthy. Using the filters on the left can be another helpful way to further narrow your search results. Next to each result, you'll find an indicator that shows the type of access you have to this material. For example, this article can be accessed as a web page, PDF, or read online via the OECD platform. To open the article, just click on one of the available formats. To export a citation, click on the Export Citation link and select one of the citation management tools listed here. Now let's navigate to the Statistics page. From this page, you can search statistics by country or select specific databases, indicators including statistical profiles by country, or specific statistical series. Let's take a look at the information under Indicators for Air and Climate. Near the top of the page, you'll find additional information about this topic, followed by related indicators, databases, and titles. To access the data, click on the data link next to the data icon for the indicator you're interested in. From the data page, you can change how to view the data either by chart, map, or table, manipulate the data using the options below the chart, and download the data. Simply hover over the points on the chart to find more detailed information. Further down the page, you'll find definitions, citation information, related publications, sources, and more. If you need more help using the OECD iLibrary, you can click on the Help link in the main navigation menu at the top of the homepage for access to tutorials and user guides. Now you know how to access the OECD iLibrary, what kind of information is available, and how to complete a search. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.